I'm delighted to be here. This is my second time. Last week was a pretty good workshop. I guess today we're going to have another workshop. Apparently this workshop is much more improving. I hope people are enjoying the workshop later on. I'm not actually still focused on, I'm still kind of focused on the COVID-19 testing and also the vaccine records. I think those two are very important. So I'm not sure I'm going to give the opening remark or closing remark, but I think we almost come to the end for today. I'd like to congratulate a very successful meeting. Congratulate Williams, all the leadership, and Eva to put this conference together. And I think the whole world is going to listen to it. I hope everybody's get something out of it. Lots of things I still don't understand, but I like to get involved a little more. So today, ladies and gentlemen, testing report and vaccine record are the key pieces of information to solve the current epidemic situation. We need to consider 2 points, 2 aspects. One, how to ensure the credibility of testing report and vaccine record so that the record can be internationally recognized. Second, how to ensure the safety and availability of information storage, the content of the record, including authenticity and the privacy protection of personal identity and other information involved. Therefore, what we need is not only the health certificate tool, but the framework for trust. To ensure the credibility of testing report and the vaccine record, is necessary to address other issues beyond just considering the safety of the tool, such as the credential of the laboratory that issued the report and the qualification of the chemist or the MT. And whatever the relevant qualification are issued by the appropriate authority. In fact, we need to establish in trust inherency mechanism, an exchangeable long-term mechanism that can be deployed on a global scale, so the citizen or any country and any territory can be referred to it and make use of it. As such, we need to leverage existing global standard and mechanism so that this infrastructure can be quickly established and put into service. In this end, we will use the legal entity identifier, LEI, for the identification of laboratory, with relevant qualification and trust over IP as a mechanism for exchanging and verified testing report and the vaccine records. The legal entity identifier is a digital identification mechanism promoted by the G20 and Financial Stability Board and many regulatory agents around the world. It's a coding system based on the ISO 17442, standard formulated by the International Standard Organization. The Trust over IP project is an international cross-industry alliance that aims to promote the construction of digital trust standard and facilitate the exchange verification data with the confidence through the internet. The Trust over IP Foundation brings together government, non-profit organization, and private sector stakeholders such as finance, healthcare, enterprise software, and other sectors to enhance universal security and privacy protocol for consumer and business in the digital era. We will introduce the data at the demo later on how the standardized digital trust infrastructure is applying to the issue, storage and sharing of testing report and vaccine record, so that we can cover from the current epidemic situation. And thank you.